Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Looks like a hat. With your visor. Damn, this is huge. Visor and hat. The visor. Well, this part is just too big. Zip it on and off. Get it off. Alright. Just be a hat, visor, or you can make it a hat, but it doesn't really fit. It's a hat. This is what I'm thinking about. When you have hats, it's definitely way too big. Maybe give it as a gift or something. This is not my style. Alright. And that's it. And that's it. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.